Yeah, dear students, we are continuing part 1 of cricket only. Due to some technical errors, it got switched off or it was hanging. So let's start. So where we had been, that is the discussion and the disputes will be solved by whom? By the two umpires who are being given the role to look after the match. One is the opponent team and one is the playing or the striker team. Okay, so both of their decisions will be seen and taken care by whom? By the umpires who are perfect in the rules and regulations and studied about the rules and regulations of cricket and experienced people. So they are going to see. This all happened in 1774-44 about the rules and regulations. Then the stumps must be 22 inches and high and the bail across them 6 inches. So 22 inches stump ಇರಬೇಕು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಬೆಲ್ಸ್ should be of 6 inches for both the side 3 stumps and 2 bells on it. Then the ball must be between 5 and 6 ounces. So how much size it should be? 5 to 6 ounces ball. Okay, and the two sets of stumps 22 yards apart. So two sides there should be the stumps. Okay, one is runner side and one is the striker side. And both the side 3 stumps 22 inches and 6 inches, two bells both the side on the stump. Okay, the world's first cricket club was formed in Hambledon in the 1760s. Hambledon, Hambledon, Hambledon in 1760s. 1760ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಊರಿಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಬಲ್ಡನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಯಿತು. Was founded in 1787 and this was founded in 1787. ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಆಯಿತು ಕಾಲ 1787 ಇಸ್ವಿ. Okay, during the 1760s and the Marylebone Cricket Club, MCC, Marylebone Cricket Club came into existence in 1787. 1787 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆರಿಲಿಬೋನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬಂತು, ಸಂಘಟನೆ. During 1760s and 1770s, it became common to pitch the ball through the air rather than roll it along the ground. So, in the 1760s and 1770s, it became common to pitch the ball. Instead of going underground, it became to pitch. Now, how it is? We have to swing the ball, the first bounce, then it goes to the stump. Okay, and the batsman has to either play. If he misses and it falls on the stump, he is out. So, this is how the pitch ball came into existence instead of underground ball or underarm ball. This change gave bowlers the option of length, deception through the air, plus increased pace. So this made a chance for the bowler. He can come with a great running speed and ball, and the ball will fall from the air with the great swing he does from his shoulder and push the ball. Second thing, it will give the pace, the speed for the ball, and the batsman has to be very firm to contact the ball, and in that speed only how the ball comes, he has to hit the ball. Okay, and everywhere the players will be fixed to the particular places. So he should see that carefully when he hit the ball, the catch should not raise and it should not be caught by the player. It should go from the middle of the players, between two players. It should go to the boundary. The boundary should cross, get 4 runs or maybe single or 2 runs, whatever it is. Or if he hits in the air, the boundary should cross over and it falls in the audience or in the, what you can say, in the public, that will be called as a 6. So these are the things which came into the next generations, how changes came. In response, batsman had to master timing and shot selection. As I told you, he has to wait for it, have a patience and make a timing to hit the ball. So timing is very important. One immediate result was the replacement of the curved bat. So the curved bat went into the things and new bat came into existence. What is that? Replaced in the change of curved bat with the straight one. The straight one bat came instead of curved bat. The weight of the ball was limited to between 5.5 to 5.75 ounces. So how the weight should be? 5.5 ounces or 5 to 3/4 of ounces the ball will be. Okay, and the width of the bat to 4 inches. How much width will be? 4 inches bat. In 1774, the first leg before ball law was published. Leg before wicket. ಮೊದಲನೇ ನಿಯಮ ಬಂತು. ಕಾಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಡಿದ್ರು in front of the stump, leg before ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. LBW, leg before the bat or before the wicket. Leg before wicket. So it came in year 1774. 1774 ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. Also around this time, a third stump became common. A third stump also became common. Okay, by 1780, 3 days had become the length of a major match. 1780 ಅಲ್ಲಿ length of a major match was taken. How much time will be given for the party 1, party 2 to play on that base. By 1780, 3 days have become the length of a major match. So instead of 5 days, now it came into 3 days match also. And this year also saw the creations of the first 6-seam cricket ball. And this year was very important inventing of a cricket ball, which came to be known as a 6-seam, a seasonal ball came to be considered. Okay, let's know the word meanings. Length, the distance from the batsman at which the ball pitches. Deception, through the air. The ball is no longer rolled along the ground but sent through the air. Hence, the possible variety or deception in bowling. And short selection, choice of strokes. The pavilion of Marylebone Cricket Club MCC in 1874. This is the picture you can see about the Marylebone Cricket Club MCC. Okay, so this is all about. It was established in 1874. 1874 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು MCC, Marylebone Cricket Club MCC. Okay, coming to the next part. If you look at the game's equipment, you can see how cricket both changed with the changing times and yet fundamentally remained true to its origin in rural England. So, cricket ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳು ಬಂತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಆಯಿತು, differences came in the cricket, things changed. And still the rural cricket is found same in England. ಆದರೂ ಆ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ you will find the same things. Just a minute. Hello. Good morning. Who is this? Which school? I left the school. Sorry. So what you can see here is the moreover important thing is it tells about the rules and regulations. Cricket's most important tools are made of natural pre-industrial materials. So they are all made now industrial material. Industrial means quality goods, quality bats, okay, then quality ball, seasonal. These all things are been now modified. In the olden days it was rough. Till today in the villages in India also you see, they will take the stick and play, which is fallen one, okay, even with the stone, okay. These are the things which were found and still people are fond of cricket. But now it has become industrial, it has become a business game, it has become a professional game. Remember this. Then the bat is made with leather, twine and cork. So how the bat is made? With the twines and cork as well as a leather cover on it. So this is all the things you can find. Even today both bat and ball are handmade. Ego nodidre now kaile madidane bat ball are being available. Even machinery also. Not industrially manufactured, and they are not industrially manufactured. The material of the bat changed slightly over time. So this is how you can see the material also got changed as of the passage of time went. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಮಯ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಳೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಬಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ನು ಹೊಸದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಾಲು ಹೊಸ ತರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, and things also stumps and all electronic light is there. If the bell falls or something sound will come, by this we can understand. All those things, electronic devices are also used in the stumps nowadays. Umpire also using microphones and all to know about the decisions and all. Cameras are being put up, CC cameras. Almost things have changed. So once it was cut out of a single piece of wood, now it consists of two pieces. The blade, which is made out of the wood of the willow tree. So now it is made out of the wooden tree, and the wooden tree name is willow tree. WILLOW. Okay, made out of willow tree. And the handle, which is made out of a cane. And the handle, how it is made? It is made out of cane, CANE. That becomes available as European colonialists and trading companies. So this has been found from the European colonialists. Colonialists means the people who were found in the Europe, in the colonies. Okay, they came and they started to stay here in India also. They made their own regions, colonies. Okay, British colonies, European colonies, English colonies, etc. And trading companies established themselves in Asia, and they started to go for a trading. And big companies came, East Indian Company, for example, in social science. Is it not? English East India companies, and they started to do trade. Trade andre vyapara. Okay, on the name of trade, name plate ಏನಿದೆ trade, ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದವರು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. We don't want to know history, we want to know to the point. Unlike golf and tennis, cricket has refused to remake its tools with industrial or man-made materials. So what happened here? Unlike the golf and tennis, golf ಮತ್ತು tennis ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ cricket has refused to remake its tools. So cricket has refused, has ignored, cancelled to make the tools with industrial or man-made materials. So man-made materials ಅಥವಾ industrial materials ಗೆ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸಹಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ cricket. Okay, plastic, fiberglass and metal have been firmly rejected. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳು ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ cricket. It will not accept it. Okay, but nowadays you have an elbow cover, hand cover, thigh pad. Okay, thigh pad means here to the leg upper part. Okay, even for the stomach and chest also now pads have come. Even you can see helmet for head. All the things, even for the front mouth there is a metallic net. These all things why they are made for a precaution purpose. But in the matter of protective equipment, cricket has been influenced by technological change. ಆದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸುಧಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್. Technology has interpreting and making the changes in cricket. The inventions of vulcanized rubber led to the introduction of pads in 1848. So vulcanized rubber is been used for the pads. Pad nalli rubber hakidare ಈಗ. So it can expand. It can be pulled and tied from both the side with the belts. So these all things have been found now and started in 1848. 1848 ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲೂ ಆಗಿದೆ. And protective gloves, ಕೈಗೆ gloves ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ made out of internal rubber and with some other materials. Soon afterwards you see hand gloves came into existence, and the modern game would be unimaginable without helmets. ಈಗ without helmets ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ helmets compulsory ಆಗಿದೆ. For example, you take helmets while riding the vehicle. ಇಲ್ಲಿ helmets ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. And made out of metal and synthetic lightweight materials. So it is found with the synthetic lightweight materials. Lightweight materials hada halka irtave materials that can be used for using the body and covering the organs of the body while playing the cricket. Okay. Let's see. Cricket is originally a dash. It's a British game, Indian game, international game. So what we can say? First, it is a originally British game. Then we can call it as an international game. Mark the right answer. There is a historical reason behind both of these oddities. In the preceding two paragraphs, find two words or phrases that mean that the same as oddities. Oddities is a one-day match, so you can find in that things. Okay, 50-50, 20-20, oddities. Okay, short-term match. These all things. You have to find it out. How is a cricket bat different from a hockey stick? Oh, I told you, it is in a round at the edge of the bat in the hockey. Whereas now bat of the cricket is very straight with a 4-inch blade. Okay, this is the difference of the hockey stick and the bat of cricket. And here is a picture you can see a rough and ready cricket game. A rough and a ready cricket game. How it is played in India also, or this is the portion of India. It shows even a Himalaya part, something mountainous regions. Okay, game being played in a village in the Himalayas. Yes, it is played in the Himalayas in 1894. 1894. Notice the homemade wickets and bat. So these are all homemade wickets. Okay, ಗಿಡದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳದ್ದು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕು ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಟು. It is not a company made. And carved out of rough bits of wood. And it is carved with the rough ಕೈಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು rough. Okay, not by machinery and all. This is how you can find about this cricket. Then we are going for the part 2 in the next part. Okay, let's see. Thank you.